Hello and welcome to this Spark review. I've had the drone for half a year and I wanted to tell you about my experience with it. I bought the Fly More kit after watching YouTube videos where they show a lot of limitations by not having a controller or the extra battery, which gives you a substantial increased range and time with the drone in the air. I wanted to try drone videography out, but since making videos is really only a hobby for me, I picked up the Spark because it was the most affordable with gimbal stabilized 1080p video. I've flown with this drone during travels to get those smooth, super wide views from above and gotten some pretty cool footage. During this I compiled a list of pros and cons working with this drone. Here we go. Pros about the Spark. It's small, I can throw it over my shoulder, take it everywhere I go. I could even have it in my coat pocket between shots. It's relatively cheap compared to some of the other choices out there like the Mavic or Phantom series. It has intelligent flight modes such as tripod or point-to-point flight, which can be really helpful in windy situations. It takes really great pictures with the 12 megapixel camera that also does HDR photos, which makes the dynamic range even better. It has really low noise from the propellers compared with the Mavic or the Phantom. The concerns I've had about the Spark: there's no 4K video size, which makes it crucial for me to get in close and line up perfectly, since I cannot crop in afterwards. It has a battery life of only 10 minutes, which is okay if you have a lot of batteries, but really not enough if you're in some epic location. It only has 2-axis gimbal, which makes it hard to get smooth rotating shots. The small factor of the drone makes it working hard in even a little wind and compensate the videos sometimes. It goes out to 500 meters at best, which is not a lot compared to the newer drones that can go out several kilometers. Overall, it's a great value for money if you want to get into drones. I've been excited with it. I can recommend it if you're starting out in drones.